Welcome to our channel. Instagram doesn't have a built-in screenshot preview feature, but if you're experiencing preview-related issues on your device, follow these steps to manage your system settings. Step 1. Open your device's Settings app to access system-wide configuration options. Step 2. On iOS devices, navigate to Accessibility settings, then look for Touch or Assistive Touch options. Step 3. Check if Screenshot Preview or similar features are enabled in accessibility settings and disable them if desired. Step 4. On Android devices, go to Advanced Features or Gestures depending on your device manufacturer. Step 5. Look for screenshot-related settings such as Screenshot Toolbar or Smart Capture and disable these features. Step 6. Some Android devices have Screenshot Editor options that can be turned off in the Settings menu. Step 7. If using third-party Instagram viewing apps, check their individual settings for screenshot preview options. Step 8. Test your settings by taking a screenshot while viewing Instagram to verify that the preview behavior matches your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.